It does. Nothing so.
You can't make a quick getaway that way. It's a cute photo.
I'll see you pass it. Sorry, no.
Yep, here it comes. No, watch out.
The bag's open.
Regarde, il est sorti quelque chose. Il a piqué la carte. Ah, excellent quoi.
Il a pris le bouquin.
Voilà, waouh, mauvais hein. Remonte la vitre. My bad, dude. That's why I spotted. Monkey! Monkey, 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 monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Bad news, he's gonna attack.
Monkey, 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 monkey. When monkeys attack. What you eating? What are you eating?
Oh, Jesus.
Well, if you stomp at him and stuff.
That's awesome. That was awesome.
So I just had my first monkey close-up encounter. It stole some food over there, and I was trying to get its attention, so I may have stomped a little bit and whistled or something, and apparently that's a sign of aggression, and it charged me. So it was literally like 1.5 feet away from me with like fangs bared, and then I was able to jump out of the way, and it kind of moved off to the side, but I was about 2 seconds from kicking it in the face and dropping an elbow on it.
Or getting his butt
Or
bitten
getting
off.
a piece of me ripped out of my flesh. Yeah, that's true too. So that's pretty scary.
The monkeys here killed deer.
It's true. It's very true.
If you're a monkey, just sit down.
Just, we all sit down?
Stay still.
So funny.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You wanna
Down,
sit?
sit down.
Yeah, but then they'll climb all over, won't they?
Yeah, they like that.
But I don't. These are pretty
picture.
aggressive monkeys.
Yes, they are.
For photograph.
Oh, that was a nice one. Yeah, he didn't grab. But
Okay.
he's gonna ask for more.
Don't go near me!
Right, monkeys. No, boss.
You can't go near me, thanks.
He misunderstand. Think you eat them.
That's okay.
Look at him, Cindy.
Sitting on his head.
There you go.
Don't grab it, don't grab it. Let them know that you can't.
Next.
They won't go. I'm trying. Oh, okay. Or not. Okay. You don't want to go on me.
Come on. Yes, punch up, punch up. No.
Oh, there we go.
Come on.
He's just crazy.
He likes you. That's
Or not. I think he likes me like you, Patrick. They like his hair too.
Must taste good. Wow, you must have good hair.
Alright, someone on the shoulder, someone to get a shoulder.
Stay in here.
I'm gonna separate them. I don't want you like you help travel. And just remember, if you can't take the monkey off you, all you do is take him back to the ship.
Okay.
Then if you don't want to leave you, a monkey, he will fight you to stay on you if you try to take him off.
He got his wish.
That little shot. Whoa, bro. There's the bottom. There's the bottom.
Gotta get it on video.
Patrick, his whole head is all wet. It's like slobbering all over him.
You gonna put it back on me? I think he likes you better.
You want me to take a picture? Yeah. Oh!
Oh man.
Put your hand like that and the monkey sleep.
I got hairspray. Oh, she's looking at your furs.
Watch your bag.
Oh, okay. I have 2 cameras. Take a picture. Take a picture. Someone take a picture, Dad. Oh, he's on me.
What you watching? He's not right there.
Not again. Come on. Come on, stay away from me. I know.
Monkey. No, that's moving the whole Come on.
Самые маленькие здесь. Спасибо, друзья.
Oh, не знаю, если я поймал это, но that was serious. Бегали за нами. Видел это?
Ладно. Снять нельзя? Ну давай, снимай. Снимай. Иди, пожалуйста. Пошли к другим. А эти уже на нас обидели. Так что ж ты дергаешь фотоаппарат?
Не дергаю.
И давай фотографии сделаем.
Here comes.
Hello, Mami, nice to go.